Where's the cat? Yeah. Can you see the cat? Kitty cat? Nachon. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? That's a bird. Uh-huh. That's a birdie. Uh-huh. Where's the doggy? That's a kitty cat. Is this a doggy? How about this one? What sound does that one make? Can you find a picture of a baby? Yeah, baby. Uh-huh. Ooh, where's a flower? Oh, nachon, that's a baby, you're right. Where's a flower? Where's a flower, Kessia? Can you find a flower? Where's a flower? How about a butterfly? Can you find a butterfly? Pretty pictures. Yeah. Baby, uh-huh. Kessie, you like the music? You want to dance? Can I see you dance? Dance, dance, dance. That's all the dancing you're going to do? You don't want to do more? More dancing? Oh. Where are you headed, Kessia? Kessia, come here.
Want me sunscreen? We'll go to the beach? No, not for you. Thank you. Thank you very much. But you know what I have for you instead? Look who's here.
Okay, let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
We're packing up for the beach, Cass.